Got that high frequency energy. It's magnetic. Yeah, I got that magnetic north in my soul. Guiding the resources, taking back control. You focus on the lack, you stay stuck in that rut. I vibrate abundance from the crown to the cut. I'm not praying for a handout, my hands are open wide to receive the rewards that my clear focus supplies.
Go speed up, getting it tested.
Every thought is a signal, every word is a key. You can catch the interference, but you can't stop me. I'm aligned on the level, nothing happens by chance. Watch me orchestrate the future, make the whole world dance. Got that high frequency energy, I feel it flowing through me. She the manifesting queen, running the field. Power of attraction is the shield that she wields. Got that high frequency energy, nothing can block. Watch the doors open up when she steps on the block. Every desire is a blueprint, every wish is a lock. She throws out a signal, everything runs to the clock. Magnetic north, magnetic north. Watch the fortune spin, cause the power of attraction is living within. Got that high frequency energy, I feel it flowing through me. Yeah, used to see the gold fall like a star in the deep. Now I internalize the feeling, the promises I keep. If I need a new connect or a contract to sign, I don't